This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Susan Pender. Oceanside. Just a short distance to the oceanfront beaches. Gorgeous, beautifully renovated home with an amazing bright and open floor plan. Top-of-the-line designer kitchen with center island, new appliances and wet bar, spacious great room centered around a gas fireplace, cozy den overlooking the brick patio, wonderful primary suite with new luxurious bathroom and 2 walk-in closets, new bar area and a first-floor in-law suite with separate entrance. Inviting and spacious second-floor balcony with new decking and awnings. Beautiful, newly landscaped yard with synthetic turf and new fencing, 2-car garage, generator, new HVAC, new exterior lighting, new entrance gate, plus many more improvements. For more information, review the details below.